wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best skateboards for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the merkapa 22-inch is the perfect gift for kids who are just getting interested in the activity. It has little LEDs built into the wheels that youngsters will love showing off to their friends, and it comes in at a budget-friendly price parents will appreciate. The lights don't require batteries, and it's forgiving on rough sidewalks. However, the trucks may need to be loosened. At number 9, the Krown Rookie lands right in the middle of the gap between expensive premium models and low-quality boards sold in big box stores that can barely roll. Its concave deck makes it perfect for practicing kickflips and ollies. It comes in 4 animal-themed designs, but the deck tends to chip easily, and some adults will find it too small. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the playshion drop-through longboard has a low center of gravity that gives it a very stable ride, making it perfect for those who struggle on traditional models. The downside to this is that it isn't super responsive when turning. It's equipped with an 8-ply hardwood deck and takes minimal effort to push. However, it's not suitable for tricks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Skateboards for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the penny nickel has texture built right into it, so you'll never have to worry about grip tape wearing out and winding up with a slippery deck. It provides a very smooth ride that novices will find comfortable as they improve their skills. It's easy to carve on and lightweight for convenient carrying, but note that the tail shouldn't be used for braking. Moving up our list to number 6, the Quest Super Cruiser Original features a 44-inch multi-ply maple and bamboo deck that just screams quality. It has a cool vintage California look riders love, and it corners surprisingly well considering this style of board isn't generally known for maneuverability. It rolls nicely right out of the box and has a slight camber to prevent it sagging. The wheels provide good traction. Halfway up our list at number 5. Made by a well-respected company, the enjoi whitey panda might just make you look like you know a bit more about picking gear than you actually do. It has to be assembled when it arrives, which is something every aspiring skater should learn how to do anyway. It's equipped with a premium Canadian maple deck and gets a nice pop off the ground. It's good for park and street use. At number 4, the rimmable mini cruiser is a compact option perfect for somebody who plans on carrying their board around as often as riding it. The textured deck features a diamond pattern that provides a good amount of traction for a secure stance. It responds quickly to steering, and its aluminum trucks won't rust. It's the ideal choice for children. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the retrospec Z is a longboard cruiser that's perfect for lengthy rides, where the goal is just as much about getting somewhere as it is to have fun. It feels very stable underfoot, so even people with poor balance should be able to use it. It was designed in California with an attractive bamboo deck. There are 15 styles to choose from. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Skateboards for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, coming in 7 cool motifs, all of which feature striking graphics, the Minority 32-inch will let you show off your personal style and skills at the same time. It can support riders of up to 220 pounds, so it's just as suitable for adults as for young teens. It features a high-strength carbon steel kingpin and a symmetrical deck shape. It's easy to maneuver. And taking the top spot on our list, the positiv macdonald can withstand all the abuse a newbie will subject it to. It features high-quality bearings that give the wheels a nice long roll after each kick, and its concave board is comprised of 7 layers of wood that have been fused together. It boasts a bottom that's been treated for better slides, super sticky grip tape, and the perfect amount of flex. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Skateboards for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video.